So based on my teaching, so somebody that's close to me now told me that he wants to marry based on this thing I'm teaching. And I said, you want to marry? Are you high? He said, no, sir. I said, have you done biological test? He said, I said, go and check. I'll give you the money. The person is close to me, so I gave them money. The person went to go and do the biological test. I came back. He said, sir. I said, what's up? He said, could you imagine? She had fibroid. That's why she has not been pregnant. I said, what do you mean not be pregnant? He said, no, sir. I've been firing her now. I want her to be pregnant before I marry her. I want to be sure whether she can give birth. I said, Jesus, is that what I've been teaching you? Are you okay? I said, you can't do biological test. He said, but sir, look at her. She has fibroid. I said, okay, so what's the level? They said, no, they can fix it, everything. I said, okay, good. So where's your own? He said, I didn't do. I said, what do you mean you did not do? Now two go do biological test. He said, I said, Oga, go tomorrow and come and give me a report. Guess what? He went to do his report. When he came back, it is discovered that it was because of him that they were not getting pregnant. Not even the fibroid, because of him. Are you getting my point now? But everything is fixable. But when you don't have education, you are not knowledgeable, you don't know that you should do biological tests. There's what we call medical history. You check medical history. This is education. You check medical history. Are you going to marry somebody for the rest of your life and you're not going to check their medical history? What if they have a kind of disease in their life that you will not go to cope with? It's better you tell them, goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You'll be the one. You'll be the one for me. You goodbye. And you go elsewhere. Then you say, I love him. He's AS, I'm AS too. We can't leave each other. Una go born sickler. Una go suffer for the rest of your life. You don't do that. You check, you say, you have this disease. Then the doctor will tell you, you guys are not compatible because in the next generation, this in the 10 years time, they will tell you. You'll be like, oh babe, we don't fit do these things. You talk about libido, right? These things are biological stuff. The doctors, we can check these things are known, you can know them. Let me even go naughty a little bit. If you have, is it sexting? When you're sex chatting, right? You can tell if somebody have high libido. It's not hard. Do your studies. So you can tell, this girl will like sex like this, I go fit handle her. You will know. This boy will like sex every time now, I go fit handle her. What do you mean you are doing everything blindly? In this 21st century with all the internet and all the chat GPT and everything you have, you are still telling me that you must have sex first. What do you mean you must have sex first? People are sending their penis every day via chat. Let me see your nude. You are telling me that somebody doesn't have penis. Okay, maybe that's those days. How can you not know that somebody doesn't have penis? People are sending their breasts, sending their vagina, doing video sex every day. You are telling me this is easy. Except you are not serious. You like to pick us. We like to deceive ourselves. We're hiding under one stupid nonsense pretense. If you are under my teachings, this is how I teach. If you don't like it, get out. I'm going to suffer in your life. Nonsense.